Okay, so let's start mixing our cheesecake. I'll walk you through all the steps that you need to know to do it properly so it comes out nice. We are going to start off with 3 pounds of Philadelphia cream cheese, and let's go with our sugar. What we're going to do first, we're going to mix the dry ingredients first. If you do your cream cheese, eggs, vanilla, everything together and mix it up, you'll have lumps in your cheesecake. You'll have little white lumps. So if it's a chocolate cheesecake or caramel based like this will be, you'll notice that when you slice it. So we want it to be nice and smooth. So we're going to break down the cream cheese. We're going to add the sugar. Once that's smooth, then we can add our wet ingredients, which for this cake will be the eggs, whipping cream, and vanilla. So let's do that. I prefer to do a lot of my mixing by hand. I'm a very hands-on chef. That's why we're not using equipment today. Oh, this glove doesn't want to cooperate. But that's good enough right there. So like I said, no mixer, no food processor. Just your hands, and a lot of love for food. So we have our cream cheese. We'll give it a nice little slit. 3 pounds, remember. Now we'll go with our sugar. Sugar, you will need 1 cup. Using your measuring cup, you will add 1 cup of sugar.